Have you ever looked at successful entrepreneurs and wondered, how did they make their first $1,000? Most people think they need a huge investment, a perfect business plan, or years of experience. The truth is, your first $1,000 doesn't require any of those things. It requires solving one problem for one person. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the exact blueprint I'd follow if I had to start over with nothing. Let's get into it. Step 1, stop looking for the perfect business. The biggest mistake new entrepreneurs make is spending weeks or even months trying to find the perfect business idea. Instead, ask yourself one simple question: what problem can I solve today? People don't pay you because you have a business. They pay you because you solve a problem. That mindset changes everything. Step 2, use skills you already have. You probably already have a skill someone would gladly pay for. Maybe real estate, maybe you're good with social media, maybe you can clean homes, pressure wash driveways, edit videos, design logos, build websites, or organize businesses. Stop overlooking what comes naturally to you. Your experience is valuable. Step 3, find one customer. Don't worry about getting 100 customers. Focus on getting one. Reach out to people you know, post on social media, call local businesses, send direct messages. One satisfied customer is worth more than 100 people who simply like your posts. Results create referrals. Step 4, reinvest your first $1,000. This is where many people get stuck. They finally earn their first $1,000 and immediately spend it. Instead, invest it. Buy better tools, improve your marketing, learn a new skill, build a website, automate part of your business. Money should become an employee that goes to work for you. Step 5, repeat the process. Success isn't about one lucky sale. It's about building a repeatable system. Every customer teaches you something. Every project improves your confidence. Every dollar gets you closer to financial freedom. Your first 1,000 isn't the finish line. It's proof that your system works. Toasty tip of the day. Your first $1,000 won't change your life financially, but it will change your identity. Once you realize you can create money with your skills instead of only trading time for a paycheck, you'll never think about income the same way again. If this episode encouraged you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical strategies to help you move from paycheck to ownership. Tell me in the comments, what's one skill you already have that could earn you your first $1,000? If you're ready to go even deeper, grab my book, 9 to Freedom, Fire Your Boss Edition, and visit 9tofreedom.life for more free resources. Remember, your job pays today's bills. Your business builds tomorrow's freedom. I'm Eric Pinkney, and I'll see you in the next episode of the 9 to Freedom podcast.